Hello everyone, today you have joined the CREATIVELK YouTube channel. How to convert a JPG to a PDF. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Here's a JPG. I want to do this. To get started, open a web browser, come to google.com, and go to the top right. Press sign in, sign your Google account, or create one. If you don't have one, then you can press the Google Apps button. Scroll down and press Docs. Go to the top left, and you can press blank document like so. Now make the window a bit smaller, and you want to go and drag and drop the JPG like so. Click on it, and you can resize it by using the points. Then what you can do is, when you're ready, you can add more as well. But to go and make it to a PDF, press File on the top left, hover over Download, and you can press PDF.